Unraveling A Vague Recollection, Mastering English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on a vague recollection. Understanding these phrases can significantly enhance your language skills, making you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's embark on this journey together and unravel the mystery behind a vague recollection. A vague recollection combines two critical words, vague and recollection. Vague refers to something that is unclear, indefinite, or not sharply outlined. It's when details are fuzzy or hazy in our minds. Recollection, on the other hand, is the act of remembering something or bringing a past experience back into your mind. When we put these two words together, the phrase describes a memory or a piece of information in our minds that is not clear or detailed. This phrase is often used when someone tries to remember something but can't recall the specifics. For example, if someone asks you about a movie you watched many years ago, you might respond, "I have a vague recollection of the plot, but I can't remember the details." This phrase is useful in conversations to express that you somewhat remember something, but not completely. Let's see how this phrase is used in various sentences to better understand its application. When I try to think back to my childhood, I only have a vague recollection of my early school days. She had a vague recollection of meeting him before, but she couldn't place where or when it happened. The witness said he had a vague recollection of a blue car near the scene, but he couldn't be more specific. Through these examples, you can see how the phrase is versatile and can be used in different contexts to indicate an unclear memory or understanding. Thank you for joining me in exploring a vague recollection. I hope this video has shed light on how to use this phrase effectively in your conversations and writings. Remember, mastering such phrases will enrich your English communication and make you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Until next time, happy learning!